selection. Vince Edwards out of Purdue. You're a magician, Harris.
I'm a genius. It makes a lot of sense because it's exactly what they need. Vince Edwards is a really good player. I loved watching him. I love watching his tape at Purdue, him spelling off of Isaac Haas, and just the chaos that they were able to create overall on offense was really fun. Good scorer, definitely knows how to score, but that's really all he can do, and I think that's fine from the Rockets' standpoint. I think they're going to turn him into a three-point shooter. I think he spends a year in G League just to learn how to do some more stuff. But I like his length, 6'8", 225 at the small forward position. Good player, smart athlete, big-time leaper. I just want to see him take the next step as a basketball player. He's going to a good coach and a good overall system to do that. His high end is like a Trevor Ariza, which doesn't surprise me, seeing as the Rockets took him here.
All right, there you go. Vince Edwards going to the Rockets at number 52 overall.